Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is Sat TV News. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Gidi Talmor of SatixFy. Gidi, thank you for joining me today. Tell me a little bit more about SatixFy and what it's trying to do with its products.
Well, SatixFy is a satellite communication company which is building everything from the ground up, all homemade. So we do the chips, we do the software into the chips, the boards around them, the products and the complete system. It's a very unique company in the industry. The only one, I believe, that does all the suite of products. And we have quite a few unique products that we present here in the show today.
Now, you mentioned it's unique because you build all of the bits. Why does that give you an advantage?
We control the cost, we control the features, we control the whole system, and we can tailor this to any requirement that the customer is asking us to, or we believe that the market needs.
Now, we hear a lot about disruptive technologies. What does that actually mean to the company in terms of developing your products?
We have to confront some very challenging requirements that are coming from the market, which cannot be solved in the price points that normally are being asked for. So we come up with solutions that are involving silicon and software and design that have never been done before. And it's very exciting and very disruptive in the whole marketplace.
Now, I know you're involved in the flat panel arrays. People are still talking about whether flat panels are the future, whether they're going to work. What's your view on that?
I like the question. The flat panels are the present. We demonstrate flat panels here. We actually demonstrate some things that we've built, as I said, from the ground up. This is the first multi-beam flat panel array that is being demonstrated and activated. It's working. We are driving it around in our factory, and we're demonstrating it right here. It's the only panel that can do multiple beams, which are very important if you go into the LEO environment. Everybody's talking about that. Nobody knows, nobody says where is the ground element for this is going to come from. So we're coming forward with a product that can do that.
Now, with regards to flat panel, you say it's the present. Who are the customers?
Well, all of the customers of the LEO constellations everybody in LEO constellation would want to sell into would need a flat panel multiple beam. So it could be from buses, trains to fishing boats, fleets of trucks. It could be consumers. It could be enterprises. The whole suite of customers that are in the industry today, if they want to get the service from LEOs, they would need to have electronically steered multiple beam antennas. And we also have other types of customers that we open up the market into by having those antennas without multiple beams, but just being small and very efficient, then we can address those new customers as well.
Now, it strikes me that SatixFy are at the forefront of new technologies. What's the next big thing you're working on?
We do more of the same from that new technology. It's really pushing the boundaries forward. One of the fascinating things that we have now is mobile IoT that we have implemented through this very small electronically steered antenna, something that's been the domain of L-band providers so far. L-band is confined by the sizes of the L-band, and therefore the prices for service were high. We do reduce the price by an order of magnitude, a complete order of magnitude for the usage of the capacity, because we take IoT into the KU band using our devices. We do mobile IoT with things that haven't been thought of before. We also demonstrate it here. And if you ask about what's next stage, it's also doing those for the LEO constellations with multiple beams.
Well, exciting times. Thank you for talking to us today.
Thanks very much for having us.